Welcome to Day 8 of Daily AI Wizard, your magical journey to mastering AI. I'm Anastasia, your AI guide, here to make learning AI simple and exciting for everyone. Ever wondered what powers AI to make those jaw-dropping predictions? Today, we'll uncover why data is the heart of AI, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Data is the foundation of all AI systems, making it absolutely essential. AI learns patterns and makes predictions by analyzing data, which is how it gets smart. Generally, more data leads to better performance, as AI has more examples to learn from. For example, AI can predict the weather by studying historical weather data, spotting trends to forecast rain or sunshine. Without data, AI would be like a car with no fuel. It simply wouldn't work. Think of data as the fuel that powers AI models. AI needs data to train, learn, and improve its performance over time, just like we need energy to function. High-quality data leads to accurate predictions, while poor data results in poor AI performance. Garbage in, garbage out. It's like giving AI the right food to grow smarter and stronger. Data quality is key to unlocking AI's full potential in any application. Data comes in different types, and understanding them is crucial for AI. There are three main types: structured data, like tables and databases, unstructured data, like images and text, and semi-structured data, like JSON or XML files. Each type powers different AI tasks, from analyzing spreadsheets to processing photos or web data. Knowing these types helps us choose the right data for the right AI application. Let's break down each type to see how they work. Data for AI is collected from various sources, each serving a unique purpose. Common sources include sensors, surveys, and web scraping, gathering data from the world around us. For example, IoT devices like smart thermostats collect temperature data to optimize energy use. Data collection must be ethical and legal, respecting privacy and regulations. Volume and variety are key to ensuring AI has enough diverse data to learn effectively. Let's look at a data collection example using IoT devices. IoT devices, like smart sensors, are everywhere, collecting data in real time from our surroundings. For instance, wearables like fitness trackers monitor your heart rate and activity levels continuously. This generates massive amounts of real-time data, which AI can use for health monitoring systems. Such data helps AI predict health issues or recommend lifestyle changes effectively. Data collection comes with several challenges that we need to address. Privacy concerns are critical, ensuring user consent and protecting sensitive information. Data bias can occur if samples aren't representative, leading to unfair AI outcomes. There's also a trade-off between data volume and quality. More isn't always better if it's messy. Legal regulations like GDPR add another layer, requiring compliance in data practices. Before AI can use data, it needs preprocessing to make it ready. Preprocessing involves preparing raw data through steps like cleaning, normalizing, and encoding to fit AI models. This ensures the data is usable, consistent, and free of errors that could confuse the AI. It's a critical step for achieving high accuracy in AI predictions. Think of it as preparing ingredients before cooking a meal. When it comes to data, quality and quantity both matter in AI. Quality means having clean, relevant, and unbiased data that AI can trust to learn correctly. Quantity refers to having more data, which can improve learning by providing more examples. Striking a balance between quality and quantity is key for AI success, as too much bad data is useless. Poor data will always lead to poor AI results, no matter the amount. Using data in AI comes with important ethical considerations. Privacy is crucial, so we must protect user data through methods like anonymization to prevent misuse. Bias must be addressed to avoid unfair outcomes, like in hiring AI that might favor certain groups. Transparency means explaining how data is used, building user trust in AI systems. Ethics ensure that AI is responsible, fair, and trustworthy for everyone involved. Data has a massive real-world impact through AI applications. In healthcare, AI predicts diseases using patient data, helping doctors save lives with early diagnoses. In retail, AI personalizes shopping experiences by analyzing user data, recommending products you'll love. Autonomous cars navigate safely using sensor data, making roads smarter and safer. Data drives these life-changing applications, showing why it's so critical in AI systems today. Working with data in AI comes with several challenges. Data scarcity can be an issue when there's not enough data to train a model effectively, limiting its performance. Data bias leads to unfair predictions, like favoring one group over another, which can harm trust. Data complexity, especially with unstructured data, makes processing difficult and time-consuming. Overcoming these challenges is key to ensuring AI systems are accurate and fair. That's it for Day 8, everyone. Thank you for joining me on this AI journey. I'm Anastasia, and I hope you loved learning why data matters in AI as much as I did. If this lesson inspired you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily lessons. Tomorrow we'll dive into neural networks in action, a game changer in AI.